My instructor, obviously a subject matter expert, he assisted me walking through the course, and any questions that I had, he nailed them right away. So it really put things into perspective for me quickly.
The material and experience of the presenter, it was really unique. At the end of the certification process, I learned concepts. I learned maintenance philosophy, not just how to operate equipment, but how they are designed like that. I think this is unique.
I'm a big proponent of ultrasound, and what I got out of SDT's training was exactly what I needed, to get a program up and running and to get it to the next level after it was up and running. So, I'm looking forward. I'm at a different outfit now, and I'm looking forward to doing the same thing over here. We're just in the midst of implementing a reliability program, and of course, this is top of the list. So.